base camp converts heat from the fire into usable electricity via a thermoelectric generator housed within the orange power pack. This powers a fan that blows air back into the burn chamber for improved combustion. The surplus electricity is then sent to a USB port, allowing you to charge your devices. Over the past year, a brilliant team of engineers and designers have been working on this new product to deliver you a unique, fun, and most importantly, high-performance experience. Incorporating thoughtful feedback from our CampStove users, we've made a series of updates and improvements that we can't wait to get out to you. Here's what the team's been up to. We updated the power pack so that it generates 5 watts and stores power. We also built a smart dashboard that allows users to easily see how hot the fire is and how much electricity is being generated. We increased the size of the cooktop to accommodate larger groups. And we developed a dual-purpose cooking surface with a one-touch grill-to-boil lever, transforming the flame to meet different cooking needs at the flip of a switch. We added folding legs for adjustable cooking height and a bucket handle for easy portability. And we're including a flexible USB light to aid in nighttime or low-light conditions. It always helps to see what you're cooking. This is the first crowd-demanded product from BioLite, so we're here today to ask you to help us crowd-fund it. We have our manufacturer lined up, our tooling is ready, and our off-tool prototypes have been taken out for a test drive with great results. If we meet our goal of $45,000 in 30 days, you'll be helping us cover the cost of our first production run. Most importantly, supporting us now helps us take risks on new products in the future. We've got a lot of new and exciting ideas here at BioLite, and a successful Kickstarter campaign will be the first step towards making those designs a reality. We've got great rewards on all levels, including becoming one of the first owners of a BioLite base camp with a free special edition carrying case only for our Kickstarter backers. We can learn a lot from our users, in the outdoors and at home. And through continued collaboration, we become a better company with better products. And we believe that together, we can bring safe and reliable energy everywhere. Experience our technology for yourself and become a BioLite Basecamp backer. From all of us here at BioLite, thanks for helping us take our project from the lab and out into the world.